May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
your background is law
Yes, sir.
and your optional is also law,
Yes, sir.
right? What law do you prefer?
Sir, I prefer constitutional law, sir.
Constitutional law.
Yes, sir.
How safe is our constitution?
Sir, safe from...
Whatever, are there any threats to Constitution of India? Is
Sir,
it doing well?
Sir, I believe constitution is safe in the sense that we have, sir, judicial review, which with the Supreme Court and the High Courts, which provide enough power in order to struck down any acts of the legislature which it deemed to be unconstitutional, sir. So, sir, in that manner, I believe constitution is safe, sir. At the same time, sir, citizens also need to prove, they must come forward whenever they feel like some of the acts are done by to downgrade the constitution, sir. So, sir, this is...
Are there any threats to the Constitution?
Sir, not... I don't think, sir, there are any threats, sir.
Do you think the institutions of the Constitution, like Election Commission, like judiciary itself, they've become weaker than they were before?
Sir, I believe they have not become weaker, sir, because if we see in the recent instances, judiciary has come forward with a lot of cases. For example, the electoral bond case, where it has struck down the electoral bond scheme, sir. So it denotes that judiciary is working freely. At the same time, sir, if we look to the Election Commission, sir, there are some instances, there are some allegations, sir, that it has become weaker, but we see it is working according to its provisions, its mandate, that is in Article 324, and also under the Representation of People Act, sir. So, sir, I don't believe they have become weaker, sir.
Okay, you are happy with... but there is a talk that one dispensation in India wants to change the Constitution. The RSS, let me name directly. Do you think that is a possibility?
Sir, if we see the Constitution, it has the basic structure doctrine, sir. So, and because of it, sir, I believe changing the fundamental nature of the Constitution is very difficult, sir. Some of the amendments, they can be introduced, sir, but the fundamental nature would remain intact, sir.
Then, basic structure doctrine came through which judgment?
Sir, it came through Keshwananda Bharati judgment, sir.
How many judges were there?
Sir, there were 13 judges.
And split judgment, what was the split?
Sir, it was 7:6.
7-6. Now, what will stop the new dispensation, which is in absolute power, to form another bench of 15 judges, if not 17, and reverse that judgment?
Sir, this is a possibility, sir, but I would say it would be a very remote possibility because, sir, right after the Keshwananda Bharati judgment, which was there in 1973, we have not seen a bench with the same strength of 13 judges, sir. So, sir, that is very far-fetched idea. At the same time, sir, I believe we have a lot of diversity in the judges that are there in the Supreme Court, sir. So, sir, making a bench of more than 13 judges and reversing it is, sir, I would say not likely in the near future, sir.
Okay. Then antitrust law.
Yes, sir.
What is, have you heard of Leena Khan?
Sorry, sir?
Leena Khan.
Sorry, sir, I haven't heard.
Have you heard of Federal Trade Commission of USA?
Yes, sir.
What is it for?
Sir, Federal Trade Commission of USA, it enforces the Competition Act in the USA.
Yes, which is basically an antitrust institution.
Sir. Yes, sir.
She was heading that. She was the chairperson of that at the age of 32. And she came into prominence as a student of Yale University when she wrote an antitrust article against Amazon, which became a global news, and on which basis Joe Biden brought her as chairman of FTC. So now Amazon and all these big players are very active in India also.
Yes, sir.
So do you think we have any safeguards against the kind of marketing gimmicks they play and the fraud that they commit?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we look at the Competition Act, sir, there in section 3, sir, it prohibits the agreements that are essentially against the competition. Sir, agreements that will produce adverse effects against the competition, sir. At the same time, sir, we also have section 4, sir, as at the same time section 6, which restricts sir, merger and acquisitions, which can have an appreciable adverse effect on the competition.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
you have a very unique name, Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
related to Jaina Tirthankar.
Yes, sir.
Who was Rishabh Nath?
Sir, Rishabh Nath was the first Tirthankar in Jainism, sir.
Achha, does that Tirthankar had any connection with Lord Krishna?
Sir, I am not aware of.
Oh, leave it. What is the difference between modern law and pre-modern law?
Sorry, sir.
Pre-modern.
Modern, sir.
Modern law, which you have today, and pre-modern. The laws in ancient and medieval world.
Sir, the one thing that I can think of is, sir, the modern law is based.
Have you read anywhere?
Sir, I have basic idea which.
Go ahead.
Sir, in the medieval times and the pre-ancient times, we have the rule by law, and in the modern law, we have the rule of law. So, sir, rule of law, for example, we have the supreme law of the land.
That I know. I am asking a difference. Pre-modern, that is a point. What you are saying is a point. Pre-modern law and modern law. So how they are governed, both of them? How ancient law was governed, how modern law is governed? What are the parameters of governing them?
Sir, one of the parameters is morality. Earlier it was in the pre-modern law, it was basically about the societal morality. But now it is more about in the modern law.
You heard about Smriti?
Yes, sir, Smriti.
Manu Smriti, Nala Smriti?
Yes, sir.
What were they?
Sir, they were Dharam Shastra, sir.
Law books.
Law books, sir.
Hai na?
Yes, sir.
And today you have CRPC and IPC.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between both the Manu Smriti and CRPC?
Sir, Manu Smriti, as far as I can recall, sir, it's more about the conduct. It regulates the conduct of individuals in the society. But if we compare it with CRPC, sir, CRPC is a procedural law. It provides that if some wrong has been committed, if an offense has been committed, then how that person should be tried. What are the powers with the adjudicating authorities, for example, the police and the judges.
Good. What do you think is the relation of Napoleon with modern law?
Yes.
You heard about any relation with Napoleon?
Sir, I have heard it, but
you are not able to recall it. Okay, sir, fine. You have written that you practice Samadhi meditation.
Yes, sir.
But I have heard that the peak of meditation is Samadhi.
Yes, sir.
So how you practice Samadhi meditation?
Sir, Sahaj Samadhi meditation is an effortless meditation technique.
It is taught by which sect?
Sir, it is by Art of Living organization, sir.
Pandit Sri Ravi Shankar ji.
Yes, sir. Sir,
is it different from Sudarshan Kriya?
Yes, sir, it is different.
Different?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, in this meditation technique, sir, a personal mantra is given which takes into a profound and deep rest. Sir.
Oh, fine. 5-year young child.
Yes, sir.
Will he be given the meditative practices? Do he requires meditation?
Sir, not the meditation.
Why?
Sir, the type of meditation which we practice as an adult.
Why there is no meditation for children? If something is so good, it should be for children also. But no sect in the world has ever initiated children. No sect in the entire world. Any reason?
Sir, I believe children, they are less, sir, they have seen things to a less extent what an adult, sir, he come across. For example, there is...
Good, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Rishabh, you come from Raebareli.
Yes, sir.
Say in last, 20-30 years, what economic progress has been made in Raebareli?
Sir, first of all, the several public sector enterprises has been set up, which acts as a cluster unit that take into the input material from the MSMEs of Raebareli. For example, sir, a rail coach factory has been set up. At the same time...
It's quite old. When was it set up?
Sir,
okay.
Sorry,
please continue.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, these... at this
end, so it has helped the local economy, you mean?
Yes, sir. Local MSME sector has especially been helped with it. Sir, at the same time, services sector has grown up in the form of, sir, transportation, educational, and the sir, coaching industry has risen, sir. Earlier, people used to go to the cities like Lucknow, but now one can prepare for exams like IIT JEE by being in Raebareli itself. Sir, third thing that I can think of is, sir, with the advent of the e-commerce, sir, various local kirana stores, they have also adopted the technique of same model, sir.
Online selling.
Online selling as well as home delivery, sir.
Very good. That's very good news. You are a specialist on constitutional law. What is the main difference between American Supreme Court judges and Indian Supreme Court judges? Only one difference.
Sir, one thing that comes to my mind is tenure, sir. For an American Supreme Court judge, he sits at the bench till he dies or till he passes away, sir. But in the Indian scenario, we have the age limit that is mentioned in the Constitution. It is 65 years.
That's 100% correct. In America, they often say in the press, and they also don't take offense, they say he's a Republican judge, Supreme Court judge. He's a Democrat judge. We never say that. We never say this is a VP Singh Saab judge or Narendra Modi or Dr. Manmohan Singh. How they are they so liberal that they allow this kind of definitions floating in the media?
Sir, what I have heard is that their president appoints the judge. And sir, whoever president is from which party, sir, which political party, sir, so he gives precedence to that individual who is also holding the same views, sir. So sir, in that regards, we say that this judge is from a conservative judge or a liberal judge, sir.
Democrat judge or Republican?
Yes, sir.
That's right. Can you quote some famous judgments of Chief Justice Yashwant Chanchud, the father, not the current one?
Yes, sir.
His father. One or two judgments which made him famous.
Yes, sir.
You know what is his special quality?
No,
The
sir.
longest running Chief Justice of India. About 9 years, I believe. Longest tenure he had.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one judgment which sir, his son Dr. Chandrachud reversed, that comes to my mind, sir. It is ADM Jabalpur case, sir. ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla, sir. Sir, and sir, only this I can recall.
You are right. He did reverse the judgment of his own father.
Yes, sir.
That's right. In this, you are also you did some work for the UP government on the witness hostility.
Yes, sir.
What is the law? How do I as I suppose I'm a defendant or some witness who is in my favor turns hostile. So what is the law in India? What can be done to him?
Sir, when a witness turns hostile, sir, it is under sir section 164 of CRPC. If the witness's statement has been recorded in front of the magistrate, sir, then he can be tried for perjury. Sir,
But have you heard of anybody being tried for perjury? At least I haven't heard.
sir, I also have.
Have you heard there is a provision that he can be also tried for contempt of court? Have you heard any witness turning hostile being tried for contempt of court?
No, sir, I haven't.
I haven't heard. Achha, what is this famous witness protection scheme of America? Have you heard of this?
No, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
Oh, you must. Achha, let us come back to insolvency law.
Yes, sir.
What is the current law on insolvency in India?
Sir, it is the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code,
Yeah.
2016, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016.
16.
Yes.
So what is the law?
Sir, the law talks about the structured, time-bound insolvency process, wherein 330 days of outer limit has been provided for doing all this, sir, litigation and initiating the insolvency. At the same time, sir, it provides for a waterfall mechanism, wherein the creditors, depending upon the amount of credit that they have provided, they will get back the liquidated, sir, assets, sir.
No, but then do you agree that we often hear in the papers that so much so has been written off by public sector banks and the so-called haircut? What is this concept of haircut?
Sir, haircut is the difference in the amount that a creditor actually owes and he gets back after the insolvency proceedings, sir. So, sir, this is it. And, sir, the issue that you have pointed is true, because the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India has said that, sir, till 2025 of March, there was 67% of haircut in all the proceedings, sir, under IBC. Average, sir.
But I read about so many cases where 80% of the thing was written off under the concept of haircut. Is it fair to the people who are honestly paying their returning their loans.
No, sir. It is unfair, sir. And sir, this was also pointed out by the parliamentary panel report in December of 2025, wherein it said that the major problem why this happens is that the entities, they enter into the insolvency process very late. At the same time, we follow the valuation model that is based on liquidation. It should be changed to the sir, asset based model of the company, sir. And sir, at the same time, competition should be introduced from the foreign liquidation professionals, sir.
One last question.
Yes, sir.
What is this so-called bad bank?
Yes, sir. Sir, a bad bank is a bank that takes into the outstanding debt of a company that has actually turned into an NPA and
Not outstanding bank of debt of a company, outstanding debt of a bank itself. That is the concept in India, as far as I know. That the bad debts or NPAs of those banks are transferred to this so-called bad bank.
yes, sir. Sir, I might be.
You know the trick behind it? You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So talking about the IBC itself, could you please differentiate between SURFACI and IBC? The SURFACI Act of...
Yes, sir.
What is the major difference in 1 or 2 points? I'm not explaining you in detail.
Sir, I cannot recall it right.
All right, no issues. Apart from that, there have been a lot of concerns regarding to make legal services more affordable for the people of India.
Yes, sir.
Do you think there should be any capping on the legal fees that is basically charged by the advocates? Do you agree to this or?
Sir, I believe the nature of relation between the advocate and client is a more of a fiduciary relation. And sir, if we try to regulate it with law, then it would be stepping into the private relation. Sir, I think rather than regulating it, what we can do is we can provide a set timeline for how cases should be looked upon, so that the pendency should be reduced. In that manner, it would be a great advantage for the litigants, sir.
All right. Apart from that, you have been doing, I think, body weight and strength training.
Yes, sir.
You do that regularly?
Sir, not regularly, 5 or 4 days in a week, sir.
5-4 days. What do you do in cardio?
Sir, I do running or jogging, sir.
What kind of running? Like sprint running or?
Sir, not a sprint, but I like, sir, run at a same pace for like 2 to 3 kilometers, sir.
3 kilometers. What is the difference between the impact of these kind of trainings, like cardio and body weight training, on your body?
Sir, the cardio, these types of exercises, they impact.
I want a differentiation between the both of two.
Differentiation.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, the cardio impacts the whole cardiovascular health that comprises of the lungs and the heart, sir. Whereas, sir, strength training, it impacts the muscles and help in building the overall endurance and vitality in the longer run, sir. This is one difference. Sir, second difference that I can think of is while running, our legs are, we mostly use our legs, so the whole focus is on leg muscles, including calves and etc. But in the body weight strength exercises, the main focus comes over the core area of the body, sir. That is at around the stomach, sir.
So a lot of runners, those who run regularly,
yes, sir,
they have a certain preference for a shoe.
Yes, sir.
Do you also have certain preference?
Sir, yes, sir. I also prefer a sole that is that has a sole of sir, means it has a width with a high width with respect to the sole, sir.
All right. One case study question for you, or a simple opinion based also. Do you think that the power is something which yields into corruption, or power is something that reveals the true character of a person?
Sir, I would say power is something that represents the true character of the person. Because if the person is naturally having strong integrity, then despite having power, he will not fall into the prey of corruption, sir. But if he does not have a strong character, then irrespective of he has a power or not, he will indulge into some or other leeway in order to find some loophole and get into the corruption, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We'll just call you in a moment. How many attempts have you made so far?
Sir, including this, it's second attempt.
Second attempt, including this.
Yes.
And first interview, of course.
Yes, sir.
We all agree that you have done a very good job. you have a good personality, you are expressive, except ड्रेस में आप सिर्फ टाई बदल लीजिएगा,
Yes, sir.
it doesn't really go.
Yes, sir.
देखो ये भी ब्लू पहने में आपकी तरह, लेकिन इनकी टाई stands out,
Yes, sir.
है ना, it enhances. So fine selection of tie,
Yes, sir.
not exactly that blue, but something different.
Okay, sir.
Black तो बिल्कुल इसके साथ नहीं जा रही,
Yes, sir.
हालांकि it only shows that you have done law, so इसके अलावा इसका कोई contribution नहीं लग रहा,
Yes,
ठीक है ना. आप शेव करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं?
sir. Yes, sir.
करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
शेव करना ना भूलना.
Yes, sir.
You have to be regular with everything, आदत वरना बिगड़ जाती है. हमें आपके सारे सवालों के जवाब वगैरह अच्छे लगे, यू आर नॉलेजेबल. थोड़ी सा ब्रश अप करना है. दो चीज़ें जो हम सबको एडवाइस करते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली आपके लिए नहीं है लेकिन आपको भी हेल्प करेगी,
Yes, sir.
कि एक तो आप अपना डैफ के ऊपर मास्टरी कीजिए.
Yes, sir.
एवरी क्वेश्चन दैट वी आस्क वाज फ्रॉम योर डैफ, योर ओन डैफ,
Yes, sir.
है ना. आपने हमको दिया कि साहब इसमें से पूछिए हमसे,
Yes, sir.
हमने इसी में से पूछ लिया, है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो आप कहें कि तो आज ही आप ये कर डालना कि डैफ उठाइए, इसको पढ़िए कवर टू कवर,
Yes, sir.
एवरी कॉलम ट्राई एंड आइडेंटिफाई 5 पॉसिबल क्वेश्चंस, एवरी कॉलम.
Okay.
हाउ से जैसे शुरू में आपका लेटर्स अंडरस्टैंड के लगता है कि इसमें कुछ नहीं है, फर्स्ट ऑफिस रायबरेली पे हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
रायबरेली पे 5 क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकते हैं?
Okay, sir.
हो सकते हैं ना, इंक्लूडिंग वहाँ जो नदवा है, जानते हैं नदवा, नदवतुल उलमा रायबरेली मौलाना अली मियाँ.
No, sir.
अरे यार कैसे रायबरेली के आदमी हो. तो वो जो 5 क्वेश्चन आप ढूंढोगे तो उसमें उस वक्त आपको पता लग जाएगा
Yes, sir.
कि व्हाट वाज दैट इंस्टीट्यूट. वहाँ तो हर चीफ मिनिस्टर माथा टेकने जाता था. तो आजकल तो खैर हालात बदल गए, है ना. इस तरह जो चीज़ आपने इसमें लिखी है उसके ऊपर आप अपना वो कीजिए.
Yes, sir.
अखबार कौन सा पढ़ते हैं?
Sir, Times of India.
इस पर्पज़ के लिए आप इंडियन एक्सप्रेस पढ़िए.
Okay.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस और हिंदू, चूँकि आपके पास ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना है,
Yes, sir.
सवा महीना. इंडियन एक्सप्रेस एंड हिंदू आर ए डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन.
Okay, sir.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के तो 3 पेजेस आप जैसे लोगों के लिए ही डिज़ाइन है.
Yes.
यू नो, एक एक्सप्लेन पेज है, एक आइडियाज़ पेज है, एक एडिटोरियल पेज है, उसमें आप बड़े अच्छे आर्टिकल्स होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
एंड स्टार्ट ए डायरी इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी डोंट हैव. फ्रॉम टुडे 5 आइटम्स एवरी डे विदाउट फेल, पिक अप फ्रॉम द 2 न्यूज़पेपर्स.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
और एक पेज पे एक आइटम लिखते जाइए, उसको कोई अपडेट करना है तो अपडेट करते जाइए.
Okay, sir.
तो हाथ से लिखेंगे तो याद रह जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is a morning or evening, don't forget to read the newspaper, at least the headlines. If it is early morning,
Yes.
at least read the headlines.
Okay, sir.
Start, because it can start, interview can start with the headlines of the day.
Yes.
ठीक है, ये करें. तो 2 बस आपके लिए एडवाइस हुई, डैफ की पे एक्सपर्टीज
Yes, sir.
एंड दिस न्यूज़ करंट अफेयर्स की डायरी.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन?
Sir, no, sir.
ठीक है. थोड़ा आप कमर लगा के बैठो,
Sir, पीछे.
थोड़ा. दैट इज़ बेटर, बिकॉज जो आप आगे झुक रहा होता है ना, वो अनश्योरिटी के अलामत होती है. आप कमर लगा के आराम से बैठे हैं. बाकी आपको पॉजिटिव ठीक है, हाथ वाथ सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन?
Sir, there was one question which was asked, sir, in previous mock interview. Sir, I have provided for Indian Foreign Service as my 6th preference.
Yeah.
Sir, it is because of, sir, family situation, sir. Sir, I said that reason because it was true. But several people, they advised me that I should not say it, I should say something else. So what should...
You say there you prefer Indian law, there you go, your international law will apply. You see, are you saying you are applying international law? You are saying constitutional law, Indian law, you are saying all the time.
Yes.
I don't think any board will take offense to that.
Yeah, in fact, I
Your
don't
personal
agree.
circumstances.
Exactly. Personal circumstances को कौन क्वेश्चन कर सकता है?
बिल्कुल.
कि you have parents, old parents, you want to take care of them, you don't want to go abroad. You would not even go for a
करते
multinational.
हुए केजरीवाल साहब कभी दिल्ली से बाहर नहीं गए, पता है आपको? सही कह रहा हूँ सर? आपकी पार्टी के
मल्टीनेशनल जॉब के लिए भी नहीं जाएंगे कुछ लोग जिनका प्रेफरेंस होता है. ठीक है ना. इसलिए उसको ये कहना गलत है, बिल्कुल गलत नहीं है आपका अपना पर्सनल. लेकिन सच हमें तो बता दो.
Sir, my mother passed away in COVID, so my father is, sir, there.
Alone, yeah.
So, sir,
Yeah, so there's a family reason, sentimental reason. No, you're perfectly justified, no problem.
sir, just one more thing. Sir, several people, they also ask me that why not litigation and why civil services, sir. So, sir, I say that litigation is my backup option, and sir, civil services is the civil services I have chosen because of 1, 2, 3 reasons. So, sir, saying this, that litigation as a backup option, sir, is it all right, or is it makes litigation seen in a little contempt position?
No. I think it is all right because lawyer तो आप हो ही सकते हैं. You are already a lawyer. Degree or you are trying for something better. नहीं हाथ लगी तो क्या करेंगे? बैकअप पे तो जाएंगे.
Yes.
तो इसलिए उसको इस तरह बैकअप ऑप्शन बोलने से किसको नाराजगी हो सकती है?
सर, अमेरिका का विटनेस प्रोटेक्शन स्कीम ये है, आई मीन प्रोसिक्यूशन के जो होस्टाइल ना हो जाएं, उनको दूसरे राज्य में भेज के एक नई आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट करते हैं.
Okay, sir.
कोई विलियम है तो उसको अलेक्जेंडर का पासपोर्ट दे देंगे.
Yes.
वो लोग बहुत आगे हैं. हमारे यहाँ ऐसा तो सोचना ही असंभव है
Yes.
कि हम विटनेस की प्रोटेक्शन की, हमारी भारत की पुलिस ऐसा भी इस हद तक जा सकते हैं. वो लोग वो बहुत सीरियस है विटनेस प्रोटेक्शन में, विटनेस की आइडेंटिटी प्रोटेक्शन में, उसकी फर्दर लाइफ के बारे में. उसको एक नए फैमिली को एक नए राज्य में भेज देते हैं, नया पासपोर्ट, नया एरिया, नया सोशल सर्विस. किसको क्या मालूम है? इतना बड़ा अमेरिका है, 50 वहाँ के राज्य हैं, किसको क्या पता वो क्या. लेकिन वो बड़े ऑनेस्ट और सिंसियर इस मामले में. हमारे यहाँ ये हॉस्टिलिटी में मेरे ख्याल से कुछ काम करने की जरूरत है. आपने भी कुछ ऑलरेडी काम किया है.
Yes.
यूपी सरकार के लिए क्या काम किया आपने?
सर, केसेस थे उसमें 154 केसेस थे सर, पॉक्सो में. तो उसमें एनालाइज किया था कि क्यों विटनेस हॉस्टाइल हो रहे हैं. तो सर मैक्सिमम केसेस थे 50% लगभग, वो बिना किसी रीज़न के थे. बाकी क्या रीज़न थे सर? कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो जा रहा था जो विक्टिम था और जिसने मतलब गलत काम किया था सर, उनके बीच में. और सर लास्ट थर्ड रीज़न ये था मेनली कि एडवोकेट जो थे वो खुद ही कह रहे थे कि बाद में शादी होने की दिक्कत होगी, ये होगी. तो सर इसके लिए हमने ये किया था कि पुलिस जो है, जो सर्कमस्टांशियल एविडेंस है उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, क्योंकि पॉक्सो में वही ज़्यादा काम आते हैं, जैसे CCTV कैमराज हैं, ये सब वगैरह हैं.
वो तो DNA एविडेंस वगैरह रहता है, वो कैसे बैकआउट कर सकता है कोई?
सर एक और उसमें था, जो स्टेटमेंट थी वो 164 CRPC में नहीं ली थी.
वो तो टेक्निकल ग्राउंड है, वो तो ठीक है, वो तो किसी भी केस में हो सकता है. पॉक्सो में क्यों, किसी में भी हो सकता है.
यस,
ठीक है. अदरवाइज यू आर वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू.
ऋषभ, वो नेपोलियन जो है ना,
यस सर.
उसने मॉडर्न लॉज को सबसे पहले कोडिफाई किया था.
ओके सर.
ही इज अ मैन हु डिड इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम.
यस सर.
CRPC, CPC.
Yes.
So this credit goes to him, codifying modern laws.
यस सर. सर आई कैन रिकनेक्ट नाउ. आई थिंक UCC भी वहीं से आया था सर.
Exactly.
ओके सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
You will do very well.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Thank you,
Best
sir.
of luck, Rishabh.
थैंक यू.